Hi guys, today we will dive into the method of connecting bloggers to Hostinger. So watch the video till the very end so you don't miss any step. As you can see now, I am on the homepage of my Blogger. Here what I need to do is simply, you can see the setting icon on the left side. Click on the setting icon. Now scroll down a bit, and here you can see the option of custom domain just below to publishing. Click on the option custom domain. Here you have to enter your domain, which you want to connect with the Blogger. As you know, I am trying to connect to my Hostinger. That's why I will paste in my Hostinger domain. So let's jump back to the Hostinger, and here you can see on the top, it's my domain knowledge base, tutorials. What I need to do is I will simply copy it. After copying, I will move back to my bloggers and I will paste my address. After writing the www. I will paste it. Now click on the option save. As you can see after saving, I am seeing this kind of messages from the bloggers, and it's saying, we have not been able to verify your authority to this domain. So what I need to do is I need to enter some CNAME records, and after adding the record, it will be verified. And below, you can also read the CNAME records. So here, jump back to your Hostinger and click on the option Manage, which is just next to your domain. After clicking on it, take a look on the left side. You can see the option of the and DNS name /servers. Click on it. And here before adding CNAME records, I will recommend you delete the previous records which you have, so I will delete it. Now if I scroll down here, you can see an A name record. Click on the option to delete. After deleting, click on the option Add. And here you have to select CNAME. After writing, the name should be www. The target is in the blog. I will move to the Blogger, and here I will copy the first destination. This one is the first destination. So after copying, I will paste it in the target, and then click on the option Add Record. After adding it, we need to add another record, because we need to add two. So click on option Add Record, and again, click on CNAME. Now we have to enter name, so jump to the Blogger, and here you have to copy this name. Maybe on you will see different. No need to worry, just copy all next to the name and paste it in the name. Again, move to your Blogger and copy the target. You have to copy all at the end of this bracket. After copying, you have the pasted in the target, and click on Adoption Add Record. Now both CNAME records are added. The last thing we need to do is we need to move to our Blogger and click on the option Save. As you can see, my domain has been added. Now the last thing is I need to verify it. So how can I verify it? I'll copy it and open the incognito mode, then I'll paste it in the search bar. After pasting the address, hit enter. Currently is redirected to Shopify, because it will take up to 24 or 48 hours to be connected. So you have to be patient and wait for that time until it will be connected fully. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.